To use the capture from tape option, you need to be in Capture Box capture mode and have a VTR connected to your machine. You can use the RS422 controller dialog to operate with the VTR. Press the config button and select the COM port where the VTR is connected. Use the forward and backward buttons to rewind the cassette. Press play and view the video material in the preview. In the folder browser, select the folder where you want your captured files to be saved. Enter the tape ID, the video title and the file name. You can also add some comments. Use the preview and the RS422 controller to select the portions of the tape which you want to be captured. While the video is playing, press the manual capture button. A confirmation dialog will open for you to start capturing when you view the desired video frame. Stop capturing when you are ready. Use the in and out fields to define a duration for your captured file and a time for Capture Box to start capturing. Press manual capture when ready. Since the in value is 10 seconds, Capture Box starts counting down from 10 to 0 before it initiates the capture. Use the in and out fields to define specific start and end time codes. You can copy the timecode values directly from the VTR by pressing the black arrow buttons next to the in and out fields. You can also enter the values manually. When you are ready, press Auto Capture. The new file is captured and added to the list. Define some new in and out values. This time, instead of initiating a capturing process, press the Add to List button. The configured item is added to the list for future capturing. Enter a new in value and press the red arrow button. This will forward the tape to the corresponding in point. Set an out time and add the entry to the list. Select an entry from the grid and press Edit. Change the in and out values and press Capture. Capture box will verify if you have the proper tape inserted. Once you are ready, press OK. The tape is rewinded to the initial point and then capturing process starts. Once the first file is captured, it is marked with a green tick sign in the list. Capture box continues capturing all predefined files from the batch list. If the capturing process of a file has been terminated before its end, it is marked with a red cross in the list. Click on the title column in the grid to switch to file name and vice versa.